friends, welcome back to my ATS channel. Today this video is for the parents whose children are early learners, and today I am going to tell you how to teach your children numbers. Now this is with the help of number rods. Now this is the very first lesson for the young learners. So I will use the number rods and tell you how to teach them from concrete concept to the abstract concept. At the end of the video, I will explain you what is concrete concept and what is abstract concept. Number rods are available in the market. Wooden number rods are available. But here I have, since it's a pandemic time and everything is locked, so I have made some number rods with strips. They are very easy to make. These are the handmade number rods. You can also make it for your children to teach them. And today for this activity we have Manit with us. Manit, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Yes. So Manit, today we are going to do a number rod activity. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Very good. So we are going to enjoy this activity a lot, right?
Yes.
Okay Manit. Now can you see this?
Yeah.
This is 1. What is this?
1.
Very good. Keep it there. Very good. Now what is this? This is 2. What is
2.
this?
2.
Very good. Keep it there. Good boy. Now this is
3.
3. This is 1, 2 and 3. What is this? 3.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Now Manit, this is 1.
And 2.
You repeat with me. This is 1. This is 2 and this is 3. So now Manit, can you tell me where is 3? Okay. We will do it again, right? This is 1. Say, this is 1.
This is 2. This is 3.
Manit, concentrate here. Say, this is 1.
This is 1.
1 and 2. This is 2.
This is 2.
Okay. And this is 1, 2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3.
Okay, now tell me, where is 3? Very good. Parents, please notice when you are teaching your children, and if you have asked any question and children answer it wrong, never say no to them. You just revise the lesson again. What I have done with Manit, I have revised it again. What will this help your children? Your children will get motivated and they won't lose their confidence. Even if they are wrong, they won't lose their confidence. When you do the lesson again, this only gives them an opportunity to be successful. So here I have explained up to the concept of 3. Now we are going to start with an act. Okay, Manit, will you do with me?
Yeah.
Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is this?
4.
4. Okay. Now you do you count this and tell me what is this. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good, Manit. Now this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good, Manit. Very good. Okay. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good, Manit. And this last rod we have to count. Again, we are counting very nicely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now, Manit, look at here. This is number 1 rod. So this is small. Okay? This is small. This is number 2 rod. So it is
Bigger.
big than 1. Very good.
And 2 is bigger.
No, how 2 is
3.
big?
3.
3 is bigger than
2. And 3 is bigger. What? 4.
3 is small than 4.
Small than. And 4 is 5 than small.
4 is smaller than 5. Say
1.
4 is
4 is
smaller than
smaller than 5.
Very.
5 is smaller than 6. 6 smaller than
6 is smaller than
7. 7 is smaller than 8. 8 then smaller than 9. 9 then smaller than 10.
So now which is the biggest rod over here?
Biggest rod.
And what this number is?
10.
Very good. And which is the smallest rod?
1.
1. Very good. So parents, have you seen how easily the child has understood the concept of big and small and the concept of greater number and smaller number? So now parents, we are going to introduce the numbers. Okay Manik. See, this is 1. And what does it says? It
One.
says 1. So can you place 1? Very good. Now which number rod is second?
1, 2.
Yes. So what is that?
2.
2. So place there. Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
This is 3.
This is 3. This is 3. What will you say?
This is a 3. 4. This is a 4.
This is 4. Very good.
5.
And what is this?
This is a 5.
This is
5.
5. Okay.
This is a 6.
6. What does this says? This says 7.
7.
Very good, Manik. You have counted it correct. Now count the next rod. What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8. This is a 8.
This is 8. It's okay, dear. Very good. Now count the next one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So,
This is a 9, bachcho.
now what is count this? Count it. Count the next rod.
10.
Okay, this is 10. Okay, place them 10. Very good. Oh, you know how to write 10. Just 1, 0, 10. Very good. So this is 1. You take out your finger, say, this is 1.
And this is 2.
This is 1.
This is 1. This is 2. This is 3.
Okay.
This is 4. This is 5.
Move your finger on 5. Yes.
This is a 6.
Hmm.
This is a 7. This is a 8. This is a 9. This is a 10.
Very good. So parents, when we do such kind of finger movements on the number, it's really give them the feeling that how do we write 1 and how do we write 2, and when you make them write, it will be very easy for you to teach them while writing. Now this is a physical way where the children has actually learned that 1 is small and 10 is big. Okay Manik, let's do a small activity within 5 seconds. Okay Manik, tell me which is a smaller? 6 is a small or 1 is a small?
6 is a big one. 1 is a small.
Very good. Okay, Manik, can you tell me where is 7? Okay. Okay, Manik, can you tell me 9 is big or 10 is big?
10 is big.
10 is big and 9 is
Small.
small than 10. Very good. So children, so parents, you have seen over here the concept of big and small and the numbers, the recognition has become very easy for the children. Now I will tell you about what is concrete concept and what is abstract concept. When we introduce the number rod like this is 1, this is the concrete concept. Over here the child can feel that this is 1 and this is 2 and actually 2 is bigger than 1. You know, they can see. So this is the concrete concept. And what was the abstract concept? The abstract concept was the representation of number 1. This is a symbol of number 1. So this is the abstract concept. So when you start teaching your children maths, we have to start with the concrete concept, and from there we have to go to the abstract concept so that it becomes very clear for the children. I hope you would have liked my video. If you have really liked the video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.